Good morning! It's our third day here in Taipei and it's 5 a.m. and we're out and about because today will be our North Coast Day. Everything that we are doing is DIY, so maaga kaming umalis para maabutan namin yung earliest bus going to Yehliu Geopark. So that's our first stop for today. Today we will be going to Yehliu Geopark, Jiufen Old Street, Jiufen Waterfalls, and then ang last stop before going back here sa Taipei is Jiufen Old Street. Hopefully today today goes well dahil kahapon inulan kami. So maraming changes na naganap sa plans namin yesterday because of the rain. Ayan, nandito muna kami sa Family Mart kasi super aga pa. Although 5:40 a.m. yung first bus, kaso wala pang train, 6 a.m. pa yung train. So we'll just take the 6:40 a.m. bus going to Yehliu Geopark. We just got on the bus. Sobrang saktong-sakto lang dumaan yung bus na sasakyan namin. And sumakay na kami agad. So hopefully hindi ako maihi dahil 2 hours na biyahe yan. So again, you have from Taipei main station, pupunta kayo dun sa bus terminal. And you have to take the 18:15 bus going to Yehliu. Actually, yung final destination niya hindi Yehliu, so you have to tell the driver na Yehliu yung pupuntahan nyo. So we just got off the bus sa Yehliu bus stop, and pagbaba nyo sa Yehliu bus stop merong green na pathway, sundan nyo lang yon. So from the Yehliu bus stop, you'll pass by the Yehliu fishing port, which is etong lugar na to. Ang sarap ng hangin. Amoy dagat nga lang na amoy isda, pero ang lamig at mahangin. Super. We have reached the Yehliu Geopark and sarado pa siya, so maraming nag-aantay sa labas. It's supposed to open ng 8 and 8 a.m. na actually, 8:01, so baka pa open na rin to. So it's a Monday and we are expecting na lesser yung tao kumpara sa mga weekend crowds. So hopefully ganon. Alright, so we got our tickets na and it's for $80. So let's get in. I'm here sa parang view deck sa Yehliu Geopark, and overlooking niya yung buong park. So ayan siya, ayan yung mga formations na nabuo through weathering, years and years of weathering. lakas ng hangin. So, sobrang good na good talaga yung timing. As in, right upon opening, nakabili kami ng ticket and wala pang masyadong tao. So if you'll search Yehliu Geopark online, makikita nyo sa mga YouTube videos, ganyan, or sa mga pictures na laging crowded to. So ngayon, wala pang masyadong tao. So that's perfect. Makakuha tayo ng mga footages na mas magaganda and makapag-picture tayo ng less yung crowd. So, see you later. I'll just show you some clips na mga makikita dito. So, So that's the famous Queen's Head. Ito. And para makapagpa-picture sa kanya, may queue. So we don't like queues. So dead ma tayo dyan. Right outside the Geopark, merong mga kainan dyan. And then may kainan din dito. Bibili ng mga food. And then ayun din, restaurants. Meron. This is squid. Masarap siya, pero mahal. Medyo pricey dito sa labas ng Yehliu Geopark. Very touristy. We are currently on a bus going to Rufang. So from Yehliu, you have to take a bus going to Keelung, and then from Keelung, take another bus going to Rufang. From Rufang, you have to take a train going to Shifen. So we are here at Rufang Station waiting for our train, which is at 1 PM. So we decided na dito na kami kumain and we realized na mas mura pala dito. Pati yung milk tea, $50 lang to ang laki, which is about 85 pesos. Tapos maraming selections ng food and mura din. Kasi based dun sa mga na-research ko sa Shifen, medyo touristy yung price doon, kaya it's a good decision na dito na kami kumain. Maraming pagkain dito. lantern. Supposedly pupunta kami sa Jiufen Waterfalls, but it's a 20-minute walk. So they said no kasi 1.6 kilometers siya and walang other ways kundi maglakad. So sayang, maganda pa naman yun. But anyway, we're heading to Jiufen after this. Cuttlefish, tama ba? Cuttlefish. Sarap. Malasa. Malasa niya sa'yo, no? Yakult slushy. Shit, ang sarap. Shit, ang sarap. Shit, ang sarap. Shit, ang sarap. So we're about to leave Jiufen and apparently dahil may oras yung mga train, nag-aantay kami ng mag 3:40 PM and it's just 2:57 PM. So that's something to take note of. Pag pupunta kayo dito, alamin nyo yung schedule ng mga train para yung pabalik nyo, mapaplan nyo anong oras kayo babalik dito sa Rufang, dito sa Jiufen Station, pabalik ng Rufang. We are now on our way to Jiufen, which is an old, a century-old gold mining village or town. So among the 3 places na pinuntahan natin today, ito yung napuntahan ko na before, back in 2016. Let's see if there's something new. Yun na yung last stop namin for today before we head back to Taipei. When you are here in Jiufen, you really have to explore yung mga loob and doon yung madidiscover yung mga best views like this. So we just bought our coffee and then nagpunta kami sa mga loob-loob para makakuha ng magandang view. We're done for the day. We're going back to Taipei and nasaktuhan lang namin yung bus. We'll have time pa for night market pagbalik sa Taipei. Saktong-sakto lang yung timing namin for everything that we went to the whole day. Thank God hindi umulan. I've got egg tart, chocolate cheesecake, and matcha cheesecake ata to. Nakalimutan ko na. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog right here because we're going to sleep na. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye!